72669 runway 24 at 33 left. Wind 210 right 8. Clear for takeoff.
Alright, we got full rich, prop in, 10% for takeoff, cowl flaps open. Our telemeter set correctly. And this is 24.
Be like Foxtrot for the full length, Frontier 1793.
Frontier 1793 approved.
Okay, we got 660, we're in the green. We're 500 now, I still are not in the clouds yet.
Oh.
Just about. Yeah, 550, right.
Yep, there you go.
266 Atlanta, contact departure.
Over departure, 669.
Actually, 600 you still, well, yeah, it looks like 6.
Departure Skylane 72669 or 700 for 2000 runway heading.
So 110, 926, runway vector, your stop signs that you want to cancel. Runway vector Alpha, cancellation, see you, squawk IFR, take care. Firm 72669, you have departure, ready to contact, turn right heading 270.
Alright, 270, 669.
November 72669, same intentions?
We're going to be doing a couple of approaches. They had us going to Calverton first, like the ILS 24 and then the GPS 24.
November 669, roger. The second one will be a full stop.
Second one will be a full stop, 669.
November 669, roger. Turn right heading 360, vectors for the ILS runway 24 approach.
Right, 360 vectors for the ILS 24, and we're good up to 3000.
669, affirmative, climb and maintain 3000.
3000, 669. If we could do a coupled approach.
Oh, with the GPS?
Yeah. Oh, with the autopilot.
Oh, okay. That's what I'm sorry. Yeah, that's what I meant.
Southwest 4290, turn left wing 310, descend and maintain 2000.
Right up here.
What?
November
Very bright.
72669, turn right heading 050.
Right, 050, 669.
November 669, just want to verify, do you want to go all the way out to Calverton or you just want to vector city approach?
We'll just take vector 669.
I got it.
You already have the procedure loaded in, or?
Not yet.
Okay.
Southwest 4290, contact tower 193, take care.
There's
He's going to bring us back around to Quorum. Yep. Yeah, Southwest coming in. On the approach.
Frontier 1793, climb and maintain 8,000.
Climb 8,000, Frontier 1793.
We're doing 150 knots, that's it. The wind up here is pushing us.
Frontier 1793, that broke up. Verify, climb and maintain 8,000.
Yes, sir, up to 8,000, Frontier 1793.
Thanks.
Must say you had to switch on for sunglasses when you're up here right now.
Yeah.
Frontier 1793, contact near departure. Let's see here, 125.9 or 7.
2597, Frontier 1793, good day.
Good day. Seven 2669, turn right heading 110.
Right, 110, 669.
Looks like he's going to bring us before, after
Try to
Quorum.
get us to riser.
Yeah.
And 72669, just want to verify, you're doing the GPS 24?
ILS 24 first, and then we'll do the GPS 24.
Alright, roger. 72669, turn right 210, join the localizer.
Right, 210, join the localizer, 669.
So nice, because this points you in every direction which way you have to go.
Seven 26693 from riser 2 until the status cleared. ILS runway 24 approach.
Clear for the approach, 669.
Approach wire 2 Delta Charlie 3000.
152 Delta Charlie, New York, altimeter 3002, advise Golf, expect ILS 24 approach.
3002 will advise 2 Delta Charlie.
Starting to come in.
Starting to.
And 72669, fly ahead in 040040 vectors for the ILS 24 approach.
040, 669.
I'm sorry, 669, that was for you, my bad. 669, 210 to join, sir.
210 to join, 669.
152 Delta Charlie, 2 Delta Charlie heading 040 vectors, ILS 24.
Take us off.
Heading 040 2 Delta Charlie.
Yeah, you can go down to 1400 now.
Just getting on
72669, contact ISO 193.
Oh, to tower 669. Long Island Tower, Skylane 72669 are at riser and bound for the ILS 24.
72669 Long Island Tower, runway 24, wind 200 at 9er. Clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 669.
Tower 2127, now we're switching pilots over here on the south.
Roger. Sky 72669 are after completing the first turn right heading 360 main. Over.
Right turn, 360, maintain what? Couldn't hear that.
So 2669 are after the approach, fly heading 360, maintain 2000.
Roger. Right heading 360, maintain 2000, 669. I'm correcting, I'm a little below.
Yeah.
Just basically fly to it. Now bugged out on it. $1,000. A little below glide.
You have a visual.
Got it. Okay.
Yep.
I'm gonna get down to. Full power. Tower 669's on the mist.
Enter 2669, roger. In contact departure.
Forward departure 669. Departure Skylane 72669 is on the mist.
72669, you're at departure, right then?
Identity 669.
669, your radar contact cleared to ISIP via turn left heading 090, 090 vectors for the GPS 24 approach. Maintain 2000.
Okay, turning left to 090 for the GPS 24, maintain 2000, 669. Okay, so we're in a 20-degree bank. Do we know it doesn't feel like it?
Yeah.
It's real down there, doesn't it?
Yeah, man. That's no joke. I think when I start doing this on my own, I'll be shitting in my pants. Well, I'm not going to start doing any minimums until probably like a 1,500-foot ceiling or something, you know? What did you start out for minimums? Personal? 1,000? 15? 2?
Can't remember.
Me neither. I got to watch your video then. How did you feel when you started doing it by yourself? Scared?
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly how you feel.
Oh, this is a GPS approach now, okay.
2 Delta Charlie, fly heading 070.
070 to Delta Charlie.
Now this is nice because you'll see how the WASP works with this.
Oh, that's right. You're going to get, oh shit, let me pull that up then. Hold on. That's a new one for me. RNF GPS 24. So that is channel 82610, is that what you have?
What?
How do you dial that one up on your WAS? It's W82610 or?
What are we talking about?
Oh no, it says WAS, it says channel.
No, you don't pick that up. That's nothing.
Oh, okay.
Its WAS is built into the GPOs.
Okay. So now you're gonna get a glide slope for this then, right?
Yeah, eventually, yeah.
Wow, so you're gonna be able to send down to 300 then also with this?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's like a precision approach.
Cool.
Load out there, information Golf, 1456 Zulu, wind 210 at 7, visibility 9, ceiling 500 overcast, temperature 19er, dew 0.19er, altimeter 3004. ILS approaching east, landing at departing runway 24. Notices to airmen, runway.
Yeah, so we got Gulf,
Cool.
and it's 24. I got the 3.0.
669, turn left, heading 360.
Left 360, 669er.
Yeah, be sending you right to quorum.
What I do with that is if it looks like they're sending me a
Two
corner,
Delta Charlie, turn right, heading 120. Descend and maintain 2000.
just so I have it.
120 and 2000 to Delta Charlie.
Assuming that Yukigi, since it's 1400, is probably also riser if you look at it on the...
Yeah, it's pretty close. You know.
New York, Sirius 22 extra uniform, 7500.
22 extra uniform, New York, altimeter 3002.
02.
He's gonna bring it back around a little bit outside quorum. Before we had when we came in the other day, there was no wind at all. You see now it's a little bit bumpy around. You know, as you come through, it's like the winds are shifting a little bit.
Yep.
It's harder to keep on the track, so you kind of have to kind of like stay in the middle. You know, you just kind of balance it out so you're on averaging. And it's important to bug out the true course. So once you have the true course bugged out, then you know you go either side of it.
Right.
Seven 2669, turn left 280, join the localizer. Sorry, 72669, 280, join the final approach course.
Left 280 to join the final approach course, 669.
To extra uniform, change my frequency 12597. Seven 266 uniform, you're over quorum, cleared ILS, I'm sorry, cleared GPS runway 24 approach.
Clear for the 24 approach, 669.
Hold your uniform.
You're calling 72669, correct?
72669, yes sir. 669 over quorum, cleared GPS 24 approach.
Roger, clear for the approach, 669.
I heard uniform though.
You can approach 1807 Foxtrot with you, level at 6.
1807 Fox, New York, altimeter 3002.
7 Foxtrot.
Okay, so you see now we're on, we just following this, the 39. Okay?
Okay.
That's bugged out. Here we got they gave us a how the winds are changing?
Yeah.
So this year, I'm at 3.9, good. I'm staying at, I put an extra set of flaps. I find the GPS approach is easier to fly. So we're
You just gotta follow the line.
Yuki is 1400.
Yep.
So this thing should jet us down there.
You can already descend down to 1400.
No, I'm going to follow this.
Oh, okay.
So this comes in. I'm going to ride the glide slope down.
Okay.
Four miles to Yuki at 1400. Keep getting blown a little bit, so. Only going 70 knots.
Yeah.
That's why it's taking so long. That should be it right there. Correct a little bit. Okay, so now we're about to be on the glide slope. We're coming in at 2000. We're right now hitting the glide slope. So when I start going down the glide slope, you should hit Yuki at 14. That's pretty much right on the money there, so.
Otherwise, though, if you were if I didn't have the glide slope, I would
You'd have to jump.
I'd have to drop to 1400.
19.3.
Over to tower 669. Long Island Tower, Skylane 669 on the GPS, 1.3 miles from Yuki.
Number 72669 Long Island Tower, runway 24, wind 240 at 10, clear to land.
Good land 669.
Number 72669 pilot by P28 about 2 minutes ago reported the tops at 2,200, the base is 800.
Roger, 669. Okay, so now we're all set up. We're at 300 foot per minute sync rate. We're right on. This is this. And you see how we're getting the glide slope on a GPS?
Yep.
See, isn't that nice?
That is really cool. And you get the same minimum as an ILS approach.
Right.
350 Echo Sierra, continue taxiing, hold short runway 24.
Continue taxiing, hold short 24.
Okay, see, when we came in at Quorum, we're much more stabilized on the approach as opposed to when we came in at Riser.
Right.
I see this also, when on the GPS WAS, as you get closer, the tolerances are tighter too. We're at 1400. 300 per minute sync.
Delta Charlie, you can contact departure.
Departure to Delta Charlie.
They're getting a little plus or minus there.
Yes.
Full above, so we're going to correct. We're 1,000. Pull over to the left, so we're going to correct to the left. Below.
72669 or low altitude, low check your altitude immediately. The altimeter is 3001.
Roger 669. We're on GPS, it doesn't matter whatever.
Right.
He just has a beep going off in him, so he's... We were right on the glide slope, by the way.
Yes, yes you were.
But that happens to them all the time.
There's a runway, and you're right on the glide slope. Nice. Beautiful.
A little more work when it's windy.
Yeah, man. Those have been my last 2 lessons have been like that.
And you get a little vertigo too.
Yeah, you're not kidding.
Yeah, I find.
I feel it. Totally.
Now when you're taking your test, even though you see the runway, you got to stay on that.
Okay.
They will not. They don't like it. You don't follow the VASI lights. They want, because this thing's taking you down to the big fat white.
Right.
If you come down below it, then that's no.
Okay. Thanks.
Even though it doesn't matter because.
Right. Nice job.
What'd you say the bottoms were? 800.
Yeah, like 800.
Tower 669. The bottoms were at 800.
Roger.
That's for Jim.
He's like those sons of bitches. This plane feels like it lands so much smoother than a 172.
Oh, it's the pilot.
Well, that too.
72669, where are you going?
Gonna go off at Bravo.
Left or right?
Left at Bravo. 669.
You can contact correction remains frequency. You want a mid-hour?
We are going to refile flight plan, but we can stop wherever you want us to refile that.
72669, you can make the left on Bravo 3, hold short of 33 left, remains frequency.
Roger, we'll hold short 33 left on Bravo 3, thanks, 669.
At 350 Echo Sierra, runway 24, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 24.
That was good. That was really good, man.